Okay, how we doing? Business letterhead 2, activity 22. This activity you get to be creative by creating your own letterhead. And all letterhead is, gang, is that it's the head of a letter. Okay, so mainly businesses use this. Our high school even uses it because you put this in your printer and then you print whatever you want down here. But this is always at the top. So I created one called Billy Bob's Bait and Tackle. And notice there's a shark, phone number, fax. This is how you contact the company, okay? So all you have to do this is just, I'm going to go Command and open up a new document. Okay, so two different ways to get to letterheads, in the header. So we have to create this in the header. So you can go to Layout, and you can, go to Design. Nope, Insert, there we go. Go to Insert, and you can go to Header and Footer. Personally, I just like to double click. So right here, notice, our cursor is here, so the header is always above where you can't type. So double click in here and notice the header now. I type some gibberish. When I click out of it, notice it's grayed out and my normal text is black. Okay, so this is letting you know, hey, this information here is in the letterhead. Now if you want to get to the footer, double click down here. You can put information down here, and then look, once you double click out of it, you can't access this information down here or whatever you type unless you double click back into it. Okay, there's a lot you can do with the header and footer. It's really slick. So I double clicked in here, look, page number. You can go to page number and let's do alignment, let's do center, and what it'll do is it'll automatically put page numbers for you. So look, I'm just holding an enter. We're at page 1 at the bottom, and look, see the one right here. Notice this is still from where I put it in the first one, so let's bring it down. Look, automatically put page 2. So mess around with it, have some fun, see what you can put in the page number, date and time, see what you can, picture from file. You can do mess with a lot. And the rest is up to you. The information, you just got to follow what it's asking, but you're creating your own business, and be creative with it. But you got to stick to the header. Okay. Then what we want to do is, in the future, you save this document as letterhead. So then if you ever wanted to type a letter, you just open up Letterhead. Okay. So I would open this document up. Oh, here I'll go back to Billy Bob's Bait and Tackle. Okay. Where did it go? There it is. Nope. Anyway, never mind. So what you would do is just go to File. You'd save this, right? And you would save this as letterhead. And then in the future, I'll save it to my desktop for this example. Okay, so now in the future, look, I open up letterhead. You immediately want to go to File, Save As, and change this letterhead to whatever you want to call it. Blah, 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 save it, and then you can type up a document using the same letterhead that you had before. Very beneficial.